Imagine yourself in this GMC 2019 Acadia SLE-1. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 3SA, 6 speakers, 6-speaker audio system feature, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, premium audio system, GMC infotainment system, radio data system, radio, AM/FM with 7 diagonal color touchscreen, Sirius XM radio and air conditioning. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.